Fully vegan meal plan. If you're on the vegan committed route, you will want to take this plan. We go full on vegan on day one with lots of easy recipes to learn and binging recipes reserved for Sunday's lunch, to be packed also for Monday and have something to fill you up when you start the work week. Check the recipe the day before. If it's a new recipe, always check it the night before. Some recipes have an overnight or 4-hour waiting time. These are coconut chicken noodles, chai, hot chocolate, ice cream, super sun-dried tomato salad, and Greek salad with cashew cheese. For some of them, it's just coconut milk, so you can buy that instead of making it. On week 1, you'll have delicious smoothies that are quick and easy to make for breakfast, fresh salads, and new and easy raw vegan and cooked recipes like baked potatoes, spaghetti, and vegetable soup to get you started. We've mapped out the cooking so that you have enough time to make food when you are not too busy and cook in bulk to have food for more than one day. You'll also get delicious snacks, dips, and dip ideas. On Sundays, you'll have the chance to see what a cooked recipe from a vegan expert online looks like. We'll encourage you to try and get a good taste of vegan black bean burgers. Make sure you make enough to take with you to Monday's lunch and start next week with vegan binging. On week 2, you'll start the week with Sunday's binge and continue to more raw and cooked recipes like raw creamy pad thai, sweet potato curry, pasanda, raw vegan mac and cheese, and a new snack, chocolate truffles. Your Sunday online binge is a large cauliflower pizza. On week 3, it's time to master some of what you've learned and embed the knowledge by repeating a few cooked recipes. Practice makes perfect. You'll also be making Chinese stir-fry. To keep things interesting, we're getting you creative on the raw side with hot chocolate, cinnamon creamy banana salad, and some coconut chicken noodles. And for the binge this weekend, it's delicious vegan nuggets. Weeks 4 and 5. In this final step, we are going to enjoy the journey. You can boast some of your practiced recipes, but also add some raw vegan creativity, traditional pesto noodles and delicious guacamole noodles, pineapple punch salad and chai. And for the final Sunday binge, cauliflower buffalo wings.